Coming down pretty good, folks. Morning, folks, and cheers. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're out on Loon Bay, Campbell Lake. Got out here pretty late last night, set up my tent, my tarp in the rain, and pretty much just ate some food and went right to sleep. And yeah. When the sun comes up, I'll show you guys around. In the meantime, I'm just going to drink this and watch a video on my phone. Cheers, folks. Had my Outdoor Vitals 0 Fahrenheit Summit Down sleeping bag, my Nemo Filio pillow, and my Thermarest Neo Air X Therm pad. Good to go. Raining outside now. Picked up these insulated slippers, Rab brand. Whew. Really nice. Well, that's another one. Thanks for tuning in. I just want to give a shout out to my buddy Winmore Canada on YouTube. Check him out. Also Tyrone Outdoors. Check him out too. Oh, that's another one. Thanks for tuning in. See you on the next epic adventure. Peace.